Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view and display your battery percentage left on your Google Pixel phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on your home screen, and then you want to select the settings button, and then you want to go underneath battery and select the battery button. And then where it says battery percentage, if you want to display the battery percentage at the top, click inside the oval one time and it should be lit up blue, meaning it will be displayed up here. If you want to hide it, just click inside the oval one time to hide the battery percentage. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.